everyone, I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but I'm back with a hair and even an eye makeup tutorial, and you're gonna see how I get this pink ombre hair. Looking so nice and beautiful. Damn, yes, you better do it. Now you'll need a 613 hair, and I already have mine made into a wig. Most of the products I'll be using can be found at Sally's. I hope Sally's sponsor me one day soon, because I always gone there for my products non-stop. The receipts I have can prove otherwise. So 3 colors are from the Manic line called Hot Pink and Cotton Candy Pink and the Pastelizer, and the last color is Rose from the Ion collection. However, the pastel I received for free and it was on sale at the time, but if you can't get that, any white conditioner will be fine. I'm now sectioning off the hair into 3 sections, and then we'll be doing 2 tracks at a time because of just managing time to color this hair, because I was doing it like at night. I was recording this at night because I wanted to get this done. So after that, once I have everything settled, I will take the hot pink and mix it with some conditioner and apply it at the root of the track and until I get to sort of towards the middle of the hair shaft. Then taking the cotton candy pink in the middle and then rose at the end. However, y'all, when I was doing it, I realized that the hot pink was kind of too vibrant, because I always do swatch tests before I actually put the color on the hair, and I recommend always to do that to see how the color will react and look like, just in case you don't want it or whatnot. And you will see later in the video the difference where I had to mix just at least 1/4 of the hot pink in the bowl and then half condition to get that nice perfect pink that I wanted. So you're gonna see it later in the video. If you can see it now, see how that color is, because the hot pink is so vibrant. You want to make sure you use a little bit of that, like I said, 1/4, and then a lot of conditioner to get that color you want. And you can always add a little bit more if it's kind of not the same color as the color in the video. Slather it up, slather that baby up, man. You better not miss no pieces, no blonde pieces. You don't want it to look blotchy, pasty, and a mess. Once everything is done, I let the color sit on the hair for a day or until the hair was stiff and dry. Then I just wash the hair in cold water and just use the conditioner from Ion After Color Sealer to seal the color in the hair so it won't bleed out or fade, etc., etc. And then I allowed it to air dry until it's ready to style it up. Style it up. Then once it's ready to be styled, I use this product from Shiny Silver Spray to silk and protect the hair while flat ironing. And I thought the shiny spray is pretty good. It's more so for blonde and silver hair. I mean, the hair was originally blonde anyway, so that's why I wanted to use it. So, and it silkens the hair pretty good and nice. And once I finish straightening the hair, I go out at least about good 2, 3 to 4 passes just to get it at least straight enough how I want it to be. Finish seeing if the bangs are even enough and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna go into curling and layering. Look at these curls for the girls. That's what it's feeling. I always see, when I see curls, I love curls. I love it. I just like curls for the girls. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Look at them. Look at that pink color. Look at it. Look at it's hot. It'll give me all what I want. It's cotton candy with bubblegum and Barbie all mixed into it to just make this so special, y'all. Just make it so special. And I just use some spray, like any kind of spray, just a firm hold spray to hold the curls in. Now I already primed my eye using Urban Decay Primer Potion, and now I'm using a concealer from Urban Decay in the lightest shade as possible to have my eyeshadows be colorful and vibrant and popping. So I didn't need to put too much on. I just used I put at least 3 little small drops on my eyelid, and then I just started patting down with my brush and just kept on patting around. And then I did at least 2 to 3 coats just to make sure that the concealer coated my eye to the point that I didn't have any creases or any, you know, anything that's gonna mess up the eyeshadow to like crack and stuff like that. You see me packing on real good. Real good. And y'all might be looking at me like I look like a freaking raccoon, but this is worth it. Y'all understand that at the end of this, I'm going to be cleaning it up. So don't be sitting trying to make no slick comments talking about, oh, he looked like a raccoon, he didn't do it right and stuff like that. I'm still learning. I'm not an expert yet, but I'm gonna show. I'd rather be able to show progress and learn and keep on going that way, so y'all can see me grow over time. You know what I'm saying? So I can see myself grow. So let's get it. We're gonna keep on doing it. Pack it on real good. And out there, then we'll be ready to go. I'm gonna use my 252 Ultimate Palette from Coastal Scents. Now, you see me trying to hold out the color I was using, but sadly I didn't capture it. I will put up a picture of what colors I used. I had used a yellow-orange color first with a nice medium small brush and place it in my crease. I put it in my crease and I went a little bit above my crease because I have a hooded eye, so I want the color to be shown too, so it won't look like it's just in that crease and you don't see nothing at all. You want to be soft-handed with your brushes when you put this on your eye. You don't want to be so rough-handed. You just do like swipe, just a soft swipe, kind of like you painting on a canvas, you know? You're just swiping back and forth. This just takes time. It gets, you know, it just takes time. It just takes time, y'all. Cause it's like, okay, I'm getting it in, and you just want to take your time. What I learned though from eyeshadow, the top key thing about it is just blending. Like, you want to make sure it blends. Like, you want to make sure your eyeshadow is just blending very well. Like, all the colors are intermeshing with each other and stuff like that. That's all it takes. And it takes, sometimes you know, it's not like a quick thing to do. You got to take your time with it. You'll get faster once you understand what you got to do and stuff like that. I don't know what the brush I use. I just know I'm taking like a brush where it's like kind of like medium but still able to get into my crease. I need to know what brushes I do, but if any makeup company want to send me brushes with the labels on it, tell me which one it is, I'll be glad to do a review. Let me know. Contact me. Thank you. So we just gonna keep on going. And y'all ever had that moment when you do eyes and one side would be better than the other, you be so pissed and you don't want to go back into doing the eye again? That's how that's what kind of happened when I do certain things. It be like that. Even when you take pictures, do y'all ever notice one eye be bigger than the other? Do y'all ever notice that? I feel like everybody has like one smaller eye than the other. It happens, I guess. Now I'm taking my hot pink color and placing it on my lid, and I'm just gonna start, once I place it, you know, pack it on my lid, then I just started blending it with the orange color, you know, in between to mesh up the colors together. You know, just the key thing, just blend that baby up. That's the #1 rule to eyeshadow. Blend, baby, blend. I said blend, baby, blend. The only thing I can say about the Coastal Scents palette though is that I feel like I should be able to get like, I don't know, I feel like it's not enough for me. I mean, it's pigmented, but I feel like I had to add a little bit more coats to get what I want. So yeah, that's the only con that I can say about the palette. But now I'm taking the yellow shade color and placing it around the underbrow and combining it with the orange color as well. So you want to keep, like I said, just keep on blending to the point where the eyeshadow is not, the whole eyeshadows is not harsh and they blending correctly, or when it's like fading into the skin at least, you know. And once like you get like, once everything is like blended well, you're gonna see that the colors have faded a little bit, but it's okay to add the color, you know, going back into the palette and just placing more color to be back, you know, that nice vibrancy that you wanted. Once I felt like I was good enough, I cleaned up the areas using my foundation. Yes, I told y'all I was gonna be cleaned up. Y'all gonna see in the video. And as well as I used a makeup wipe to wipe off any excess concealer, any eyeshadow. And then I just put on my mascara and liner off camera, because everyone know how to do a wing eye, you know, or people are still learning to do a wing eye, and that's okay. I mean, I had some lashes that I had, but I had some lashes that I wanted to use, but I couldn't find my lash glue, so I had to just make ends meet, you know, with just my mascara. Better slay that guy. Like, I'm over here looking like, it's coming into form, y'all. It's coming into form. Wait a minute. I'm gonna take my time. Ooh, see something. I see something there. I was like, I see something there. Let's keep on going. See? Y'all thought I'm gonna forget that. Y'all thought at the beginning when y'all saw the raccoon eyes, y'all was like, what you doing? Then you see, oh, I see it now. I see it clearly. I'm sorry for doubting you. You better be sorry for doubting me then. Well, see, I had the wig, just going to put it on, and you're gonna see me struggle, because I usually use the bathroom mirror to put my wigs on. So I was just looking y'all gonna see me look so defeated when I attempted to do it, because I was looking like Beyonce with the bangs that time. No shade, because we all was shocked. Don't play, y'all don't play that, don't play that. We told her like, girl, we love you in bangs, but that's not the bang look you need to be wearing right now. That's what it is. Like, look at this. Over here looking like mirror on the wall, talking to the mirror, who's the fairest of them all? Like, you, baby, you. The mirror saying that. You, baby, look at you. You over here looking like a sun-kissed Barbie in the summer. That's what you looking like. You better give me that. Oh, bitch, I am so happy to have uploaded for everyone and enjoy doing this color. Thank you everyone for watching. Hit the like button, share the video, comment below what other videos you'd like to see, and subscribe, and hit the bell button to let you know when a new video is up, and follow my Instagram. It's the same name as my YouTube name, and I hope to see y'all soon for the next video.